In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi holds a telephone conversation with Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The visit of a Deputy Minister of Public Benefits from Herat province to assist transport projects, particularly railway developments. And American citizens protest against the policies of Donald Trump. Welcome to our today's news package. It's Sunday, the 11th of Shawwal al-Mu'azzam, 1447, the 9th of Hamal, 1405, and the 29th of March, 2026. The news details. Mawlavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, held a telephone conversation with Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Deputy Minister and the Prime Minister of Foreign Affairs of the United Arab Emirates. The discussion focused on bilateral relations, issues between Afghanistan and the United States, latest regional phenomenon, and the recent situation concerning Afghanistan and Pakistan. Based on the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mawlavi Muttaqi expressed appreciation for the UAE's successful mediation in securing the release of an American detainee in Afghanistan and reaffirmed preparation to resolve the remaining issues through bilateral relations. Mawlavi Muhammad Ishaq Sahibzadeh, the Deputy Minister of Public Benefits, visited Herat, where he met with Mawlavi Nur Ahmad Islamjar to review the progress of transport infrastructure projects, particularly railway development in the province. During the meeting, the Deputy Minister highlighted notable progress in the railway sector in recent months. He described Herat province as the economic heart of Afghanistan, emphasizing the Ministry's commitment to advancing infrastructure projects to effectively utilize the existing capacities. The news continuation. The Minister of Industry and Commerce announced that cooperation agreements worth $514.80 million were signed during a communication conference and business meetings with private sector representatives of Afghanistan and Uzbekistan. The agreements cover various sectors, including establishment of poultry production facilities in Afghanistan, import and export of cement and coal, beans and mons beans, asphalt, export of dried fruits and vegetables, as well as import of oil, petroleum, bitumen, copper, food products, non-alcoholic beverages, sports services, and egg production. And ultimately, hundreds of thousands of people across the United States have launched widespread protests against the policies of Donald Trump. Demonstrators chanting slogans such as "No to a King" express opposition to what they describe as authoritarian tendencies, including alleged moves toward conflict with Iran, deportation of migrants, and other controversial policies. Organizers stated that more than 3,200 gatherings have been planned across all the states as a part of nationwide demonstrations. We have reached the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.